What is up, guys? Today is another day of doing the saga. We are at the hidden workshop with Big Blue, you can see over there. So what we're gonna do today is we are going to install a bucket seat for my Proton Saga. Over here you can see the seat of the Lomax, and of course this is the this is the bracket that I've gotten from Shopee. Seven-seater di Max mah. Sebab kita luar free. As you guys know, this car is mainly for track use nowadays. So the current seat that is on the Saga is a lot of G-force when you're turning. Especially Mark driving the car, he's being thrown around left and right. So we've got this second-hand seat of the Lomax Bright Elis Lomax, is that how you pronounce it? And of course the bracket that is pre-made for the Proton Saga. So the step of changing bucket seat on the Proton Saga is very simple. The ori seats come out, which is this one. The ori seats. Take out these ori seats with the tapak at the bottom also, and just put this one in, and of course the bucket seat. So with me, Mark, I don't know why he's bringing out so many brackets. But then the bad news is the current bucket seat has a bit of a previous bracket on it, so we have to grind that off first so that it can sit properly on the new bracket. Yeah, so let's grind it off first, which is over here. You can see this is the one that we have to grind first, and this one. So apparently need to cabut center console for some weird reason. No, I mean not weird reason. It's a Proton thing, Saga thing, Satria, not sure. Alright. So memang OCD people see. Yalah, the bracket black color, there you go, spray gold. Mark, can you explain why you chose the gold color?
Gold? Because gold is expensive.
Yeah, it kind of looks more expensive. We have Tim in the house as well. It's been a while since I see Tim in our YouTube. Yeah. Japanese Grand Prix, look at the shirt. Flex yo 2025 dude. Yeesh. Okay, one whole day. What the hell?
Center that screw, this screw cannot masuk.
Yalah, heran. Why the hell is the bracket not tuned? The bracket is not tuned. Bad news with the bracket. It's not very straight. So you can see one bracket is over here. The screw is okay. One bracket over there is okay, but this one, look at it. You can't put it in. And another bracket over here, look. There's like an extra height inside, and you need a longer screw, something like that. Yeah, this part we need to make a big a bigger hole for it so that it fit in with like Dremel or something. How is it, Mark?
It's like a bit to the left.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, but tolerable lang boleh.
Yeah, boy. Hell yeah.
The next day.
We have installed the bracket of the Saga, then the hole does not align, so we're back at Secret Workshop again to bore the hole and whatnot because this bracket sucks. So we're gonna fix a bit of that, and we're gonna also install the bucket seat, which this one comes in one pair and one of it goes to the Satria. So we're gonna do the Satria bracket as well, and Mark is gonna take out my Saga seats, continue from there, and I'm most probably gonna grind off a bit of the metal from the old bracket on the Satria seat. Why?
Because yours was round and this is oval. That's why this one can shoot and side one.
Yes, this one is oval, very easy to move around. Mine is very round. So look at that. So oh yeah, I have to remove that. Oh shit, why did I even install the center console? So sorry, Mark. Mark is having a tough time going inside the car. Definitely needs a quick release tow. Also, special shout out to Desmond72 Motor for cleaning up our seat. Smells nicer, looks the same. Thank you, Desmond. Because the color is already faded. But yeah, definitely a lot cleaner after the wash. Yeah! Can't wait to test the seats tomorrow at the track. Mark now doing his favorite thing, bucket seats. So you can see that there's this hole, and this hole is not aligned. So we're gonna make a bigger hole on both of these sides with my trusted drill and a Dremel bit at the end. Let's go! Should be enough. Bigger hole. This one too. The bracket, all four, is locked. Yeah! I saw the cushion already, apa?
Yeah.
But I think need quick release, Omar.
Memang.
With the new fresh bucket seat. Not so fresh, but huh? He's just moving the car because he needs to move the Satria. Yeah! So I'm not gonna test drive the car. So we settled the Saga bucket seats. Now we gotta settle the Satria bucket seat. But then we have to push the car because the fuel pump is also having a problem. So now we're gonna take out the original seats of the Satria, which is Mark doing right now. I'm gonna help him. We're gonna take that out first. And since the fuel pump is also having some issues right now, it's not working. So once we taken out the ori seats, we can also fix the fuel pump. 2 in 1 stone. Let's go! Once the seats is out, we're gonna remove the fuel pump. There's for some reason there's 3 mosquitoes flying around right now. Okay, fuel pump time. Fuel pump for sale. Ready! Ready, bro! So we are installing the hose of the fuel pump. Yeah. The fuel tank. It's a very tricky, very tight. You can see Mark is like putting on a ring that the girl don't really want to put in. Hopefully the fuel pump is fine, but what made it easy was this guy cut the body of the car for easy access of the fuel tank, but it made our life a lot easier. But then Mark is pretty OCD with the cut. He doesn't like this kind of stuff on his car, so not sure what he's gonna do next time, but it definitely made our life easy. Look at how cute this driver to fit in. So cute. Fuel pump installed already. Gonna try. The filter balance. Yo.
Pancing.
Bodoh. Luckily for the magnet,
Yeah.
he managed to buka lagi. So we have found out the problem of the car. Apparently, the fuel pump is most probably fine. It was just the socket. The socket to the relay, which is the positive power, was actually loose. Fix that. Apparently, change new fuel pump also. High flow fuel pump. And should run. It's fine. Fuel pump installed. Let's try to start up the car. Is it in gear? No. Fuel pump settled. Don't have much battery left, but now we have fixed the fuel pump. Now we're gonna install the bracket of the seat. Bucket seat is in. Mark is doing some adjustment on the bucket seat. Going to the back, Mark. Look at that! Damn, bucket seat in.
Yeah. Nice.
Hell yeah!
Let's go, baby.
Fam. It's gonna be good. I think
1 hour later.
we have finally done installing the bucket seats on the Satria. It was installing the bracket to the bracket to the bucket seat is easy, but then the bracket to the car itself, we screw up one of the thread, so had to use some temporary solution. So yeah, Vian is with us. What's up, Vian?
What's up?
Looking sleepy.
Yes.
Fuel pump, gladly it's soft. Now the car is finally able to start. Hopefully it doesn't have like a weird issue. But then long hours trying to figure out a few things. We were also doing the bracket seat on the Saga. Bracket seat is pretty straightforward, but very tricky to do. Mark is extremely tired already also. After hours and hours. So yeah, that is the video of us installing the bucket seat and changing the fuel pump of the Satria. Yeah, installing the bucket seat for both cars. So you guys like the video on Satria and Saga. So next video we're gonna test out the bucket seat on the Saga on the track. Hopefully it's gonna be good for Mark to like stay in the car. So we're gonna have some dinner. Hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Mark, end the video, Mark.